Because of Beck, I went in the bedroom and got my blindfold.
Hi, I'm Jonah. Comment down below which one do you think is best.
I really want the blue one because the blue one has a lot of stuff in it.
We're just gonna do this one.
Pink! Okay, I got this pinky pop because I have all of these ones that's on here. So yeah, I just want to show you guys that. So first one, I'm gonna start with the. Wait, what's the tiniest thing? Okay, whatever. Start with this one. It's a little note, and it says, "Toot the elephant." That looks so cute. I actually have this one. I thought that was a sweet note. So I got this little cute charm, and it has this little pink thingamajiggy. Yeah.
Oh, I like this one.
I'm gonna show them that. This is so cute. I just love it. It's a little cute elephant. It smells so like lemons. And it looks so cool. So cool. And this is probably my mom's favorite because she loves snow. So this one has snow on it. Yeah, that was the one. Comment down below what's your favorite character of one of these.